Hi, I am Ansi. Welcome to my kitchen and my balcony gardening. Today I am going to show how to propagate strawberries from the seeds. I had some strawberries from the supermarket, so I thought of an experiment. So I am removing the seeds from the fruit. I never tried any experiments with strawberry fruit before, so it's very exciting for me to try this now. I gently cut off the top layer of the fruit with the seeds, and I use that for propagating the strawberry plant. I decided to use the tissue paper method to grow my seeds. I added tap water and removed the excess water in the paper. I'm storing it in an airtight container, and I place it in a plastic bag to protect from the sunlight, and also then I am putting it in a dark corner in my kitchen. I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you did, please subscribe my channel to see the update on my strawberry plants. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.